Hi everyone, so I hope you're enjoying our stories about the bear and the strawberry and the mouse and the big bear on the bear hunt. So we thought, maybe we should see if we can do anything with gummy bears. So I've got some activities that you can do with gummy bears. Obviously all of us love eating gummy bears, but there's a lot of other activities that you can do with it too. One thing is definitely some maths activities. So you can do some counting, some pairing, some sorting, and then we have a little graph that you can print off, and it looks like this. And you can ask your child if they'd like to colour the bears the same colour as your gummy bears. Otherwise, what they can do is they can place a different colour gummy bear on each of the bears at the bottom, and then with the remainder they can place them on the numbers to see how many they have of each colour. So for instance the red, oh I see we've only got one red on our plate, and in that way you can finish your graph. If you don't have gummy bears, or you don't want your children to have the sugar because they are going to want to eat some of the gummy bears, of course, you can have a look around your house, and whatever you can find Legos, you can go outside, find maybe some pebbles, some shells, little twigs, little leaves, little petals from flowers, and you can do it in the same way. And for that, we've given you a blank object graph like this one, where you can place all your objects at the bottom. So I didn't have toys with me, but I had a little look around and I found different color ribbons. So I thought it might be nice to graph my ribbons. So I stuck them at the bottom just to make it a little bit easier for me. And then I will do the same thing with my ribbons than I would with my little gummy bears. Hope you have fun with this.